guess what? I got more puppies. I just love dogs so much. Okay, so, and I don't have to wait for it to grow. I just made that. The little grass. So now I can do stuff. But the only problem is I don't have any sort of, I don't have any, flowers. So that's the only problem. Oh yes, this is now going to, you guessed it, this is going to be my hopper that serves dyes. Okay, I want to see if I can get one more puppy. Okay, go over there. And you guessed it, I am going to not get 9 bones in there. This is going to be my dog one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all my dogs can have those. One slight problem, I need to put 4 of these stakes, 4 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I need to do the cooked rabbit. I feel really bad. But I did not cook any of these. I did not kill rabbits. I just got it for creative. 1, 2, 3, 4. They got 4 of each thing, and I wanted them to have actually no iron bars. The cool thing is, I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4 of these coals because I found lots of them underneath there in my other doggy's pen. So I'm gonna have to go down there. I want to dig it, but I'm going to check if it's nighttime real quick because I don't like Endermans. You know that, everybody. Okay, that's too far away. Let's see. Okay. Just in case, I'm going to bring them to bed. Because I don't want to keep coming out here and having to do it. I wish I just had a travel bed. I don't know what to do with you guys. How about I take your torches? Give me, please. Okay, I got 5 crafting tables. They can both try to craft their own things. Okay, what should I give them? Pumpkin seeds. They crafted pumpkin seeds by themselves. How about he crafted this type of dirt? Because he's the noob. He is not the noob, he's the pro. And he's dancing. Crafting position. Okay. That's gonna have a torch. Why do you still not have any heads? Do you want to craft a bed? No. What would you craft if you were a noob? Still dirt. I'm still thinking dirt. Every day I'll craft a different thing is what I'm thinking. Wait, it's still daytime. What was I thinking? Oh. Boop, 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 boop. Jumping on my bed. Jump. Jump in. Jump. This is a really cool map. Hey pup, are you the meditation pup? I bet you are, because you are. You're the meditation pup, because you're in grass. Some people meditate in grass or do yoga in grass. So she's one of those people, like relaxed people. like a Rex dog. Oh, she's actually pretty cute. I shouldn't have done this. That took a while. You're not a meditation. You're not a meditation pup. She's the only meditation pup. Only if you're in grass. You're a different one if you want to be in grass. Okay. You're going to be a replacement. Okay? I did not mean to do that somehow. He didn't even know. Actually, I have to add one more of each thing. Well, he only likes food, so I guess that's the only thing. Mad. I see he only likes food. You only like food. He only likes food. I'm surprised. I love it. He only likes food, which is not very good, because then I have to put one more of each food. Okay, now it's time for you to go in there. Okay, mine's very low. Do you think I should use it? Yeah, you do. Okay. These bars do not belong there. Precious little doggy. Precious, 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 precious. Precious, 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 precious. Precious, precious, precious. Oh. Gotta wash my hands, gotta wash my hands. I wash my hands, put my gloves on. I can grab the stick. No, I cannot. Barnacle, can I use yours? Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay, I need a shovel. Because I really actually need them. Okay, I'm pretty sure I should find those in here. I'll leave that for later. I don't know if I'll ever need a pickaxe ever again, but it's never do. You always need a pickaxe. Scrabble. You never know what you're gonna run into, and it's an ore, and you actually want it. So I just run into coal. See? Good me. Run into coal. Tons of it. Good me. Yes, my pickaxe is about to run out. Good thing I didn't find too much of it. But it's never too good to have too much coal. You can never have too much coal, actually. That was all of it. That cave is never to see again. That cave you can never see again. I can't. You guys can't. Because I don't want you guys to. That might freak you guys out. I know it. Right when I was minding, I had to lose it. I've already used this. Can I draw a mustache like on me like the Willoughby's mustache? No, I can't. Bad coal. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and if you're new, smash that like button and hit the thumbs up. Bye!